And let me tell you why we have all gathered here today for this meeting. So let me introduce you to one of the most interesting organizations that you're going to come across in this college. That is the Institution's Innovation Council Technomain Solid, or as we call it, IIC. So what is IIC, right? IIC is the official entrepreneurship cell of this college. And many of you might be wondering why we are talking about entrepreneurship cell in an engineering college. So here it is. So what happened was recently MHRD and the government of India has been supporting initiatives to bring up startups and creating a startup ecosystem in every college. And the reason behind it is that for every organization or any place, what we see is the need for more job givers than job seekers. Now, especially in this pandemic situation, like you guys have also been included in this organization, in this college, through a very different means. And this was all because of this pandemic situation that we are facing. So it is not something that we can control, but what we can is the availability of jobs and save livelihood. So in this case, we came up with this initiative of IIC. And let me talk to you about the whole timeline that this organization has seen from its very beginning. So this was the organization that was built in September of 2019. And this organization first started with an event called EAD, or the Entrepreneurship Awareness Drive. Now this event was organized with the help of the E-Cell of IIT Kharagpur. So you see that we have been working with the top class business organizations or technical organizations of this country. So this EAD was a very funny, I would say. I personally was a part of this event back then, and we saw some of the most amazing entrepreneurs and some of the most amazing people that we have seen only in probably YouTube or television, or maybe we have just seen their brands while buying stuff. So we got to see all of them right in front of us in our college. So in our college, you will find there is a auditorium called the G Series, and you will get to know more about this place. So we have these events conducted over here, and the best part, if I would say, is that you get free ice cream. Okay, so at this event, everybody of us got free ice cream and free chocolates. That's a brownie on the cake. So next, what we had was the IIC internship portal. Now, what this internship portal is. So you must have heard about this term that when you are going for an engineering course or when you're studying in college, the most important idea is an internship, right? Because you also get paid sometimes, right? So the most interesting thing about this internship portal is actually identifying and understanding that even you in your first years or second years are able to grab internships. You won't believe that like there were over 100 organizations and almost 200 people from our college who got internships through this internship portal in their first years and second years. Like if you talk to your friends, this will be totally beyond their expectation, because we all expect internships in third years, right? So this was an amazing platform, and you can find this internship portal on the IIC website. And next, moving on, is the IIC blog. So when we talk about entrepreneurial ideas or anything, it is very important to keep updated. What is going on in this entrepreneurial world? What is the trend nowadays? Or even if you are a blogger, maybe you want to write, you like writing, this is the right place for you. So here you can express your ideas. You can read about the new trends that are coming up. If you have maybe you just had a small idea while in school and you just wanted to explore, this is the right place for you, because you will be able to know more about such trends. Maybe there are similar projects, you can get inspired by them. This is a wonderful platform. Next is Innopedia. So what is Innopedia? Innopedia is the YouTube channel of IIC Technomain Solid, and what it has are some of the most brilliant courses. And when we talk of courses, you will see that there are certain technical courses that is beyond expectation. They have like when you talk about YouTube videos, why do we watch YouTube videos? To get a hands-on experience, right? To know what actually people are going through, what are people's views about this thing. That is exactly what you get through this Innopedia platform. And I would just recommend you, after this event, please go to YouTube and search Innopedia, and you will find, with this logo, you will find this channel, and this will be amazing. Next, I am going to talk about the biggest and the first social initiative that was taken by any college in this city. That is My Bandhu. So what was this? This was an initiative that we took during this pandemic situation. So during this pandemic situation, we thought that what is our duty and responsibility as an entrepreneur, and what way can we do so that we don't have to sit idle at home. So we came up with this idea, and it is a very vastly laid out network of volunteers who help people, like generally elderly people, get their essentials. So during the early part of the pandemic, it was very difficult for people to go out. So they got their delivered essentials delivered right at their footsteps through volunteering. So if you are up for volunteering, or if you want to manage people, this is an event, and this is an organization that will help you throughout. And now coming up to the fun parts. So just tell me, what is the most fun about any organization of college? What is the most fun part of college? Just let me hear some views in the chat box. What is the most fun thing you can expect? Yes, YouTube link will be given. Yes, wonderful. Yes, I can see many of you are giving Fest. That is exactly what it is. Envisage. Yes, Fest. So Envisage is the official entrepreneurship summit of Technomain Salt Lake. And as I go on, you would be seeing more about this Fest that we all experience, this time online, and next time we are sure we'll have this offline and a lot more fun. So this is the Entrepreneur Cell, and we had over 1,000 registrations from all over the country, if not the world. And finally, we had Hull Prize. So Hull Prize, how many of you know about Hull Prize? Any guesses? Anyone who knows what is Hull Prize? Anyone who knows what is United Nations? Do you know about United Nations? Yes. Yeah. Great. So United Nations has this initiative called the Hull Prize, which is organized globally, all throughout the world. And our college got this this opportunity to conduct Hull Prize through this organization called IIC, and we hosted this on a platform during the month of November, just a few days ago. And we had an amazing panel of judges from all around the world, and you would be enthralled by the ideas that came up right from the students. So students from first years and second years, even I participated. So students from first years and second years, they formed groups, and they had amazing ideas, and they never thought that these ideas could be worth a try. But there were certain people who really appreciated them, and they will be representing our college in the next rounds in the regionals. So very amazing moment for them. And next, coming up to what are the activities that we perform at this organization, right? So some of the very important things that we need to understand is innovation. Innovation is the key of becoming an engineer. So whenever we talk about engineers, what we talk about is problem solvers, and how do we solve problems? By innovating. So innovation walks hand in hand with entrepreneurial ideas, and along with that, why this is more important, why this organization is more important to give you that edge for your entrepreneurial or innovation ideas is the amazing rewards and the amazing guidance that you get. We are associated with some of the best entrepreneurs and innovators from around the world, and we have some of the best people who are helping us, who will be helping you guys also when you join us in this event. And other than that, for those who are seeking for job opportunities, maybe you want to get a placement, right? Even in that case, what is important is to hone your skills, get perfect skills of the most technical. If you are from CSE, IT, AI, any background of that sort, what is important is technical workshops for you. If you are from branches like civil, mechanical, what is important? Hands-on experience from you. And this is exactly what you will get over here. Not only workshops and hackathons, you will also get even events like industrial visits, and even get to see TED speakers right in your college through this organization. Other than that, you will be able to go through hackathons. Like many of you have heard about hackathons, right? So hackathons are being organized, and even people from this organization can represent your college in different organizations. Like I have also represented my college in several other colleges and won events. So kudos to you, and you will also get. And the most interesting part of the whole activity set that we do over here are the startup mentorship programs. So what is that? So basically, maybe even during this webinar, you just come across a small idea that you have been thinking about, right? Maybe just a very small idea which your friends might think is very foolish. Come to us, come to any of us at IIC and approach us with that idea, and you will be shocked to know that you have the potential. So over there, what you will be getting is guidance from all the people from our organization, even abroad, and even other skills. Like if you have any resource problems, if you have any other issues, we will be helping you out and actually making sure that you have a startup registered and working by the end of the counseling session. So before going on to the initiatives, I would just want to show a small video that has been presented by some of the members of our organization, and I'm sure you will be enthralled to watch them. So I'll be just sharing, switching my screens. IIC is committed towards enhancing the innovation and entrepreneurship zeal among their students, allowing students to innovate and find solutions to problems of today are the fundamentals of being an engineer. Entrepreneurship walks hand in hand with finding economically challenging, feasible, and innovative solutions to problems of today. And IIC provides just the right platform to experience this new wave of dreams.
The forerunners of entrepreneurship at a very young age are a source of inspiration to dream big. With several alumni and present members embarking on the journey of entrepreneurship under the able guidance and enthusiasm of the community, IICTMSL takes the initiative to incentivize and appreciate the new ideas for a change as one of the most active entrepreneurial ecosystem of the city.
Who best to learn skills than expert themselves? With regular workshops and seminars, students are put in conversation with the eminent personality from the domain of entrepreneurship who have made a mark in the industry. Along with that, interactive seminars allow students to learn and acquire new skills which help them through all realms of the life, be that analytical or technical.
The journey of an entrepreneur starts with the correct funding opportunity, and IICTMSL provides its member with first-hand experience of pitching in front of the international investors and businesses. Nothing can be more lucrative to a business than being right in the market and changing the world.
The best way to learn is to learn and grow with peers. IIC provides the opportunity to work and learn with the peers and support each other as a community. The network of all peers across the country with extensive network of IICs and the infrastructure of MHRD.
The Institute Innovative Portal helps in highlighting some extensive projects undertaken by students in front of a wider diaspora. This also helps students to highlight themselves and their ideas to make it come true.
IICTMSL also organizes a lots of competitions, just like the hackathons, business quiz, B-plans, to develop a competitive spirit among the students. It's not only help in that, but also helps to develop a business temperament, which is very required in nowadays as well as in future. It also helps our students to grow the team spirit, how to work in a team and how to become a leader in itself.
Industrial visits enable students to know about the industry and get a professional work experience for their future. Students also learn about hands-on work experience and get a better insight on the business they are trying to develop.
IICTMSL provides the guidance, contacts and resources required to get your startup to the registration phase. Hence, right from the point of ideation to the point of registration, IIC provides assistance at every level.
The Startup Mentorship Program is an intensive program that trains and guides students to develop their own business with all required help, technical, financial, or ideation. IIC supports teams and individuals, creates the entire framework, and even provides financial assistance.
Thank you so much. And did anybody receive any problems while watching this? Did anybody had trouble seeing the video? If so, just let me know in the chat box. Okay. No. Okay. So everybody could see, right? Oh. Okay. Just say, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I guess everybody could see the video, right? So, okay. So moving on, we have another video that will show you about some of the events and activities that have been organized by this organization. Just a minute.
IIC TMSL has introduced an internship portal where students like you can get internships based on your qualifications and skill set. Using this portal, you can upgrade and enhance your existing skill set, as well as you will learn to apply your skills in practical domains such as businesses, corporates, companies, and even startups.
IIC Block, an initiative of IIC TMSL to upgrade the knowledge of students in the field of business, startup, and technology. It gives great opportunities for content creators to showcase their talents by writing blogs on entrepreneurship and innovation.
Through IIC RISE, we provide courses at very minimal price to all the students of Technomen Solnet, so as to evolve their skill set on latest technology trends like AI, ML, data science, robotics, and etc. A large number of students have been motivated and benefited from the courses provided last year.
My Bondhu is ideated and developed by the team of innovators of IIC TMSL, which connects the volunteers and the elderly people with the help of technology. Via this connection, the volunteers can visit the elderly people from anywhere. In the hard times, for example, the current lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, young people can come forward to help the elders by delivering the essentials to them.
Innopedia is a vigorous initiative which aims at making people aware of the latest advancements in terms of innovation around them. The innovators themselves explain the attributes of the products or concepts through our YouTube channel related to innovation.
Thank you. And that was all the events that were organized in the Envisage eFest that we talked about. And we saw some of the best judges, as you saw. We saw the vice president of Paytm. You all have heard about Paytm, right? So the vice president of Paytm was there. Okay. So for some of you, it was not visible, I guess. The video was not visible. Don't worry. In your class, this video will be sent. Like in your class also, we will be having the video sessions again. So you will be seeing the video then, right? Maybe some people have their video problems. Yes, the videos will be shown again. Not an issue. So just let me brief about what the video was all about. If people missed that. So basically it was about the events that were organized in the Envisage eFest that we talked about. And we had, as you saw, some of the best organized people we had in this event. We saw the vice president of Paytm. So you guys all know about Paytm. Most of you might also use Paytm. So the vice president of this organization was with us, and we had the opportunity to talk to them. Other than that, we also had to talk with Maya Vishwakarma, who is the pad woman of the country. So she was an amazing and inspiring person. We all totally enjoyed that session over there. And we also had events like business plan that was an integral part. Other than that, we had stock market based events. We had events based on case studies. So there were problems that were given to us, and we thought we had to come up with innovative ideas and products that we can design to help that matter. So that was another set of events that were organized, and I'm sure you will be enthralled to participate in some of them next year. So apart from that, what are the daily activities? What are the daily activities that are being held by this organization? Right. So just hold on a minute and I'll show you what are the daily activities that we have every day. So sharing my screen again. Yes, right. Okay. So now we talked about the EAD, which was an event, and as I already told you about some of the events that we had in EAD, we also had some of the best people, right? So we had people like Aki Hussain who will be there with you just tomorrow with the event for you as well. So you will be able to meet this amazing person. Other than that, we also had Meghdut Roy Chaudhary sir, whom you have already seen in your induction period. And other than that, we had other innovators such as Arijit Bhattacharya and other people. And moving on, as the envisage was the e-fest of this organization, and I showed you about the events that were held over this organized event, right? So next coming up was the Hull Prize. Everybody was very pumped about this event, Hull Prize. As I said, that this was held in partnership with the United Nations, and we had an amazing team of people who mentored us, and we also had Meghdut Roy Chaudhary sir and Pauline ma'am as our mentors for this event, who mentored the teams, and two teams won, and they will be representing us in the regionals as well. So these are some of the fun that you will be having in this organization as you go on. So the very important part is how far have we come up, and what are the achievements that we have got in this last year. So talking about the startups, so the very basic idea of this organization is to finally get you ready for a startup. And just in your chat box, just guess what is the average, like all these organizations that I show over here, Edlock, ShutterX, TrendFlip, all these organizations are being run and developed by which year students? Just give me wild guesses. Is it first year, second years, third years, fourth years? Give me guess. Okay, I got some guesses. Yes, most of you are actually correct. These are organizations that have been started by the first years and second years of our college. Isn't that amazing? Like, these people did not have the idea that they had the potential to develop into something that they only thought was just an idea, and now they are registered startups, and some of them are registered startups and earning revenues. So this is something that anybody can do with the right guidance, with the right mentorship. Anybody can do it. So you will also be able to, if not going for placement, if besides going for placements, you can also have something of your own to show on your resume after the end of the fourth year. So these are some of the these are some organizations that have been coming up with IIC. So now talking about what is for you right now. So basically we will be having a business development bootcamp, which we'll be having tomorrow itself. And over here you will be having one of the amazing people, Aki Hussain sir, who will be there with you. And this event will basically be about how to develop a business temperament, or how to develop a small idea into something as to be shown as a B plan. So you will be growing and developing yourself along with the science. This will be a long and amazing event that you will be going through. And the next will be the innovation bootcamp. So what is the innovation bootcamp about? Is about the latest technology. So basically, be it in domains of AI, ML, or cloud technology or cybersecurity, any domain, IIC got you covered. So we will be talking about all the events, and we will be having workshops so that you can get to know about the latest technologies and trends much better. And along with that, what you will be having are some of the very interesting and some of the most amazing group of teams that we have over here are the graphics team and the content team. So if some of you are good at animation, maybe you like to draw, so this is the place for you. You can apply for the graphics designing team. And if you want to, like, if you like writing, if you have been writing in your school, maybe some of you have a blog, or somebody of you have a channel, so you can always go for the content writing competition. And the winners of this competition will get direct membership for IIC Technomain Solely. And finally will be the time that everybody of whom you will be waiting for, that is the IIC member selection drive. So this is the most awaited event. Even we were very excited for this. This will be happening at the end of the all these sessions, and you will get to know that how you can be a part of this organization. So moving on, what are the basic wings that are in this organization? So basically there are 9 wings, and starting off with the startup wing, this is basically the team that is responsible for bringing up and bringing up those small ideas into those startups that you saw just a few slides ago. Okay, so we will be giving you all the information about this competitions like the content writing competition or the graphics designing competition in your class groups, and about the timings of the workshops, everything will be notified in your class groups, right? So moving on will be the innovation wing, which is the team that is responsible for all the technical purpose, for the innovative ideas or the innovations that are essential to be a part of this journey. The internship wing is responsible for giving you and matching you with those people or those organizations that are willing to give you those internships. The IPR wing, the intellectual property rights. Has any of you heard about intellectual property rights? Just give me a yes. Or give me a I. Yes. So what is it basically? Does anybody have any idea what intellectual property rights is? Yes, it is sort of a copyright. Any other? Yes, that's what I'm looking for. It's a patent. So basically, if you have a good idea, maybe you just have an idea. Maybe you guys always have talking with your friends and you come up with some very eminent ideas and you think that why not make this available? So that is what basically it is. So if you have some amazing idea, very different, unique, you can always apply for a patent and the IPR wing will help you through that. So many of the people of this organization have gone through that process and it's amazing. And the PR team is basically for people who are very active in social media or would who really like to go on Facebook for memes or Instagram to show or post pictures. So if you are in that and you have a good understanding of that, go for the PR team. Media team is also responsible for that, and design team, as I already said, content team, you already know. Very excited to be a part of this, I know. And finally, the technical team is basically for all the technical stuff that we'll be having. And finally, the management team, which is the basic body that holds everything together. So that is basically all the wings of IISc, and we will love to have you a part of most of the teams over here. So finally, the faculty members without whose efforts this organization wouldn't have been possible. Dr. Lakshmi Shiroy ma'am, President IISc Technomain Salt Lake. Polumi Datta ma'am, Convener IISc Technomain Salt Lake. Joyita Munshi ma'am, Co-Convener IISc Technomain Salt Lake. Dr. Tapushi Bhattacharya ma'am, Coordinator ARIIA. Shubhajit Bhomik sir, Faculty Member IISc Technomain Salt Lake. And now finally, the core team of this committee. Prottar Chakraborty, Convener from the Department of IT. Raj Chetri, Co-Convener from the Department of IT. Shogat Konar, Sponsorship Head from the CSE, Department of CSE. Ronak Chaurasia, Co-Convener from the Department of ECE. Omlan Mukherjee, Resource Head from the Department of IT. Tanushri Nayak, PR Head from the Department of ECE. Rajni Pal, Tech Head from the Department of IT. Shovik Mishra, Admin Head from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Arnav Acharjee, Management Head from the Department of Food Technology. And finally, we will be showing you a short clip.
IISc has students from various background and interest. Every member is integral and honing their skills is important to IISc. IISc sees to it that its members get the perfect mentorship and boost towards their success.
Have the next big startup idea but don't know how to proceed? Don't worry, IISc's got you covered. IISc provides guidance to students, outlining the process, connecting with innovators and advising you all the way.
IISc acts as a business incubator providing startups that need skilled people with preference of our bright students and connecting them. This allows our student members to utilize their talent and refine their skills.
As for the discussion over the workshops on innovation and business, IISc mainly organizes several seminars, webinars and bootcamps on entrepreneurship, innovation and business models. And they are also helping to stimulate their brainstorming processes and to increase their critical thinking. IISc not only helps the students to enhance their skills, but also helps the students to increase their problem solving skills that deals with the real life problems and also pave the way to be successful in their near future.
IISc is not only about business and entrepreneurship, it's also about innovation. And innovation comes with latest technologies. Learning latest technologies will give you the power to bring your ideas into reality on your own. Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, everyone started their ideas by building it on their own. And nevertheless, just knowing about the latest technologies will give you a new dimension to think about how you can use that technology to bring and make a product which no one has ever imagined. So here in IIC, we help you to learn latest technologies with the help of the workshops and the seminars which we regularly conduct.
IIC releases that an internship can be integral towards the evolution of the student's skills, mindset and critical thinking, and hence IIC internship portal is a step towards the betterment of the students.
IIC organizes variety of events which provides opportunity to branch out, connect, pick up and work for the better version of themselves.
Startup Support Services. IIC launched this initiative for helping the student and as well as the pupils outside of the college. They get technical, marketing or any other type of assistance for converting their ideas into a viable product. The Mitro take care all the needs of the startups and act like a guide for them.
IIC is not only an opportunity where you will improve your skills. It is a place where you will get proper guidance, mentorship, facilities and all kind of helps to become a successful entrepreneur and innovator. If you are looking for learning and create an impact in the field of innovation and entrepreneurship, then IIC is the right choice for you. On behalf of Institutions Innovation Council, Technomen Solec, I welcome you all to this new journey.
Hello and good evening, everyone. I am Kushal from AI Department of Technome in Salt Lake. And after such a magnificent introduction of our ECEL, Institutions Innovation Council Technome in Salt Lake, I would further welcome you to let you know about the various events that IIC has organized for you. We have a series of events for all of you so that you get to know how things work at IIC and how you can be a successful entrepreneur and how we can help and guide you through this path. So let's start. And before this, I would like to inform everyone that all of you kindly fill up the IIC Bootcamp form. About that, I shall come later. Now tomorrow, all of you have YouTube Live from 1:30 onwards by Mr. Akib Hussain sir. He is the co-founder and the chief integrator at FreeFlow. He is a guide and a mentor. He's the best in the business out there. I personally have learned a lot from him, and I can assure that every one of you who is interested to learn about entrepreneurship, about how to start, what are the steps, what is that you need to know, and how you will benefit, everything will be told by this person tomorrow. And the session will be known as Engineering the Entrepreneur in You. Yes, definitely. We believe that every person, there is some entrepreneur hidden in all of you. You have the urge to build something, start something of your own. And we are here with this session just to ignite that fire within all of you. And I believe that after this session, you will be highly motivated and interested to carry your work forward. To carry the little idea that you had in your mind, you will get all the technical know-hows and the motivation to start from there. So hope to see you, all of you there tomorrow at the YouTube Live. The links will be definitely shared with all of you. Every one of you are very eager for the links that shall be shared with you very soon. Coming to next session would be by Mr. Prithijit Bobby Lahiri, the founder at Human Initiative. And this is a very particular and very important session by him. As you can see, the session says Innovation in Entrepreneurship. Now I'll tell you something why this session is very required for all of you. You might be very happy to know that India filed around 2000 patents last year, in the year of 2019. But you might be surprised to know that China, on the other hand, filed around 50,000 patents. Yes, that is where the lack of innovation, we must not say it is lack of innovation, maybe the surge is coming, the trend is starting. Every one of you need to focus on innovation. And coming up with this innovation in entrepreneurship, Mr. Prithijit Bobby Lahiri shall tell you how to innovate and how to be innovative about the things you do. So surely join on 6th of December, 6 p.m. Next up for all of you, IIC brings Entrepreneurship Bootcamp on 12th and 13th of December 2020. Here, we will teach you how to build a bulletproof idea and convert that idea into a complete profitable solution, as they say. We will be teaching you some of the core and the important steps of getting your idea transformed or transcend into a complete business plan, which will be in the industry ready, and you will be able to pitch yourself in front of all the various investors and the angel capitalists and venture if you know about them. The sessions will teach you about the ideation process, about the value proposition, about the teamwork that you need to develop, because entrepreneurship is often a teamwork. You work with your partner, your friend might be your business partner, or somebody else who has very different mindset and skills than that of yours can be the best partner for yourself. Then the market research, because as market research is one of the core thing required, then segmentation, competitive analysis, and revenue model. Everything will be taught to all of you so that you are ready. And the CRs of the various departments are requested to take a screenshot of this page and kindly message these seniors of ours for the induction IIC induction WhatsApp group link. Many of you haven't joined yet, so we would kindly request the CRs to kindly message the seniors for the links, because every important detail about the group boot camps, about the various sessions will be provided only and only in the IIC induction WhatsApp group. And if any department doesn't have a CR as of now, so by tonight, any of you from those departments can contact these seniors, take a screenshot kindly. And now we bring to you a very fun quiz session. I must say that all of you might be interested for this session. So we will begin with this quiz session. And yes, we'll be having 2 rounds. And I tell you the perks of this quiz. The top 3 performers in this quiz will get a certificate certified by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development of India, that is MHRD India. Top 3 performers will get certificates. So be very particular. It will be a nail-biting match, and the rules are here that you will have 10 questions, and each questions will have 4 options and 1 correct answer. So you will be giving a Google form link after the questions are told. But for now, what you need to do is that you need to take a pen and a paper. We will be showing you the questions and you will have to write down the answers in your paper for now. And when the Google form link will be given, you will have to immediately submit your answers. Reminder that the questions will not be there in the Google form. So you need to look at the questions now and copy the answers, correct answer just now on your paper, so that later on you can submit that answer. And there's no negative marking, so you can try each and every question out there. I'm sure you will like every one of it. Because all of us are very digitally connected nowadays, so everything is over here will be very easy for you.
So moving on to the first question. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett spent a shift together in a fast food joint. Where did they work? So, and I strictly want any of you to write the correct answers in the chat. Do not do that. Take out a pen and a paper and write down the answer. Like if the answer is suppose B Starbucks, then write down question 1 B Starbucks in your pen and a paper. Later on, submit that in the Google form. So I'll repeat the question once again. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett spent a shift together in a fast food joint. Where did they work? Okay. With this, we move on to the second question. Where did Hindustan Unilever use this unique medium for promoting Lifebuoy and hand wash? See this picture? So, where did Hindustan Unilever use this unique medium for promoting Lifebuoy hand wash? These are your 4 options. Write down the correct answer in your pen and a paper. Okay. Most of you must have guessed by now. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, can you identify this old logo of an entertainment website? This is very familiar. I bet all of you know this. Can you identify this old logo of an entertainment website? Please do not give your answers in the chat section, please. We can see all of your chats. Do not. 4 options: IMDb, Netflix, Pixar, or Nintendo. Which one? Come on, be fast. It's very easy, very, very easy. Yeah? So with this, we move on to the 4th question. Which is the best-selling PC game of all time? PC lovers. I'm a PC game lover. I've spent my entire childhood playing PC games. We wasted a lot of time. I shouldn't have done, but I still do not regret. GTA Vice City, oh my god, CSGO, FIFA 14, PUBG is quite new. Which one? Which is the best-selling PC game of all time? And guys, on the form, no options will be written. Just, it will be like question 4, A, B, C, or D. You will have to, it's a radio button, you'll have to click only one answer. But no options will be written, like GTA Vice City will not be written or CSGO will not be written. It will be question 4, A, B, C, D. If D is the correct answer, you will have to press on D. Okay, with this we move on to the next question. ये है रिश्तों का टाइम, स्लोगन और टैगलाइन ऑफ व्हाट? ये है रिश्तों का टाइम, स्लोगन और टैगलाइन ऑफ व्हाट? Is it Cadbury? Is it Maggie? Is it Domino's Pizza? Is it Vimal Pan Masala? I hope it's not Vimal Pan Masala. I don't know the answer. Come on. You must be knowing the answer. Come on. Write down the correct answer on your paper. ये है रिश्तों का टाइम. Okay, come on. We move on to next question. Okay, where is Google opening its first retail store? Where it will sell Chromebooks, Pixel, smartphones, Google Home speakers, Nest home devices, and Daydream VR headsets. Where is it opening? Its first retail store in India. Where? Is it Delhi? Okay, not in India, worldwide. Okay. Is it Delhi? Is it Amsterdam? Is it San Francisco? Is it Chicago? Where? Come on, you can guess it. Where can Google open its first retail store to sell all these products? These are very famous products. Where can it open its first retail store? Okay. No more time. We move on to the next question. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's X. What is X? Okay, interesting question. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's X. What is X? Remind you, it's all e-quiz. We are only talking about business and companies and firms and products out here. We don't talk about anything else, not general GK. We talk about business, entrepreneurship, firms and companies. So is it Maybelline? Is it L'Oreal? Or is it Fair and Lovely? Or is it Sunsilk? Which one? Yeah, I can give you a quick hint. It's related to her name. I guess it is related to her name. I don't know the answer. I'm just giving you a hint. Okay, we don't have much time. We'll move on to the next question. This can be quite easy if you can guess. It is a name. What can be related to some name? Okay, moving on to the 8th question of the evening. Touching lives, improving lives is the tagline of which company? Oh, come on, this is very easy. Touching lives, improving lives is the tagline of which company? P&G, very famous company. P&G, Nestle, or is it Close Up, or is it Dove? Close Up and Dove are very famous. Every now and then their advertisements are being shown on the television. Which one? Touching lives, improving lives is a tagline of which company? Okay. Come on, be fast. I hope every one of you is writing down the answers on the paper because you can win MHRD certified certificate, top 3 winners. On the very first initial days of your college, you get a government certified certificate. That's a great deal. Trust me, I don't have a certificate as of now. I couldn't win it the last time. Can you do that? Okay, the 9th question of the day. Who is CEO of Xiaomi? All the Xiaomi lovers, or even if you're Realme lovers, then you might be knowing because that's your rival brand. Who is the CEO of Xiaomi? Who is the CEO of Xiaomi? A, B, or C, or D? Who is the CEO of Xiaomi? It's also very easy. Most of us know this. Most of us know who is the CEO of Xiaomi. Okay. Very popular. Very well-known guy. Okay. The last question of this round. NetSafe credit card is introduced by which bank? Okay, we don't have much time. Come on, you can answer this. Very easy question. Okay, moving on. Now we go to the round 2. In this round, you have 10 questions, which is each question is a picture question. So here you will not be given the options. Here you will have to write down the answers in your answers, proper answers on your question on your sheet, and in the Google form you will have to type down your answers. There will be no options given to you. Okay. And each correct answer will give you 2 marks, and there's no negative marking. Try all of them. Okay, the first question, or the 11th question. Sorry, 11th question. Name the company or the brand. Solving dinner since 1986. Okay, solving dinner since 1986. Name the company or the brand. Some of you might know this. Name the company or the brand. Okay. Don't worry, we are moving on. At last, we'll again show you. We'll repeat the questions, don't worry. Some of you must have missed some questions, we'll repeat them. What is this logo? Logo of what? This is a logo of what? Very well known. Nowadays, it's very well known. This is a logo of what? Write down your answers. Write down your answers, no options for these questions. Okay. Name the company or the brand. Spice things up. Taste glory. Many of you must know this. Spice things up. Taste glory. Name the company or the brand. Okay. Moving on to the next question. This is a logo of what? This is a logo of what? Have you seen this logo? Have you seen this? Any guesses? Write on the paper. We move on to the next question. Name the company or the brand. Okay. Name the company or the brand. Can you decipher what this means? Name the company or the brand. Decipher it. Come on. Yeah, can be tricky for some, can be very easy for some. Decipher it. Okay, we move on to the next question. I'll give you 10 more seconds on this. Okay, we move on to the next question. Very popular. Logo of what? You need to answer this. You need to answer this. You need to answer this. Is everyone familiar to Oyo? Then you must know this. Oyo, traveling so much. This is very easy. Easiest of the lot. I won't give you any more time. Next. Name this personality. All techies out here, name this personality. Techies here in a technological college, name this personality. Name this personality. Okay, very easy, very easy. Moving on to the next question. Okay, name the company or the brand. We are sorry, there will be a global shortage of ice cream due to global warming. Name this company or the brand. Do you know this? Have you seen this? Try to relate. Try to relate. We are sorry. There will be a global shortage of ice cream due to global warming. Look at the picture and try reading what it says. Hint is there in the picture. Okay. Okay, we move on to the next question. Name this personality. Name this personality. One of the pride of India. This is very easy, absolutely easy. This is a loose ball. Come on, hit for a sixer. Everyone knows this. Everyone knows him. Doing great in his life right now. Yeah? Hint? Famous tech brand. Famous. Okay. Name the company or the brand. Name the company, look at the logo, name the company or the brand. Name the company or the brand. Okay. Okay, enough time for all of you. I'll just quickly go through all the questions so that if any one of you have missed any question, that you can answer it. Okay, very fast, very quickly. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett spend the shift working together in a fast food joint. Come on, next question. Where did Hindustan Unilever use this unique medium for promoting Lifebuoy hand wash? Where? Look at the picture. Okay. Can you identify this old logo of an entertainment website? Very easy. Yeah? Which is the best-selling PC game of all time? Very easy. Again, a very easy question. ये रिश्तों का time. ये है रिश्तों का time. Tagline of what? Very easy. Try to relate. Very easy question. Where is Google opening its first retail store? If you know, you know. Okay. Delhi, Amsterdam, San Francisco, Chicago. Next question. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's X. What is X? I told you, relate something with name. It has to do something with her name. Okay. Next question. Touching lives, improving lives is a tagline of which company? Try to relate. Touching lives, improving lives. We see various campaigns on the television. Okay. Next. Who is the CEO of Xiaomi? Okay, I do not need to give you any hints on this. Come on. Okay. NetSafe credit card is introduced by which bank? NetSafe credit card is introduced by which bank? PNB, HDFC, SBI, Axis Bank. Okay. Moving on to the round 2. Name the company or the brand. Look at the picture carefully. Look carefully at the picture. Okay. Now. Okay. Name the company or the brand. Spice things up. Easy. Easy if you look at the picture carefully. This is a logo of what? This is a logo of what? Okay, name the company or the brand. This is a logo of what? Very easy. Very easy. Tours and travels. You go, you... Okay, no more hints, sorry. Name the personality. Name the personality. One glance. Okay. Name the company or the brand. We are sorry, there will be a global shortage of ice cream due to global warming. Okay. The penultimate question. Name this personality. Very easy. Very easy. Okay, the last one. Try if you can. Name the company or the brand. Okay, okay, friends. Thank you. So this is the link. This link will be pasted in the chat, and this is the link of the Google form. Copy, paste this link or take a screenshot. This link will be provided in the chat just now, so that all of you can submit your answers. Remember, top 3 performers get a government certified, MHRD certified certificate. That is a rare chance. Nowhere else you will get such a certificate. Certified one by the government. You can put up everywhere, everywhere. Okay. This is a link. Kindly have this link. Okay. And any questions regarding IIC will be answered in the IIC induction group. So everyone, whosoever has not joined the group, kindly join. CRs, kindly contact the seniors to take the links, and everyone kindly make sure you join the IIC induction groups. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. These are our IIC handles. We are present on Twitter, we on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook. I'll request every one of you to make a LinkedIn account as soon as possible. Very beneficial for all of you in the long run. And here, www.iictmsl.in is our official website. Every one of you can go and check what we do, what we are, for greater details and insights. And now I will be concluding. Thank you so much. I'll be concluding with a video of IIC. Hope you had a great session, and every one of you looking forward to work with you, looking forward to get to know all of you. Any help, we are there. Come and join IIC. If you have the will, if you have the want in yourself to step onto this world. Okay? Thank you so much. We'll be concluding with a video. Just a second.